Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, I welcome you to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, we will be making marble cake. Please, after watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients that we'll be needing are 400 grams of flour, 15 grams of baking powder, 5 whole eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 150 milliliters of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and 200 milliliters of milk. This is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.